Hello everyone, this is Indiana11 and you're watching my channel. This is Capricorn June 2020 reading. This is based on your zodiac sign. And this is my zodiac sign too. So let's see what the months hold for us, June 2020. I've already shuffled the cards. Let's see. This is Two of Cups. Two of Cups. It means it's a good energy. I mean, it could it is like balancing things with give and take kind of a situation. Yeah, it is like doing things. It's mutual energy. I mean, for a certain situation, it could be like a money situation or or a love situation. We are trying to balance. It's basically balancing yourself, balancing energy. This is about balance. Yeah, it's like it could be like there's an angel, there's a blessing of angels, and very mutually. Maybe this situation could be a job situation or a money situation where you are making an effort and you get appreciation. Or it could be for some of you, and basically it means that both of them put both these energy, like maybe in love situation it is like both the partners like putting equal effort and equal amount of hard work, and it's a very mutual energy. Okay, so Five of Cups. Now I don't this is a sad situation. Maybe it's related to job or money, some aspect of your life wherein you are sad about loss of something. There is a loss, there is sadness. You could have somebody who could have lost job, or a relationship not going away. But this is not totally negative, because you're sad on a situation wherein you can see that there are three spilled cups, which is like but there are two cups, which is it is full. It is a full cup. So you are just sad over this situation and don't want to look into what you have. So basically maybe this card is trying to telling you to balance your emotional energy, or your you look into the things that you already have in left, rather than looking of what losses you have made or how thing. Just get into you need to see that you need to grow from whatever you have left, and not be sad about something which is already lost and nothing can be done about this. So we'll pick one more card. Let's see. Knight of Swords. Okay, so this could mean that yes, although you are grieved or not, there is a sudden or a quick communication coming regarding money or regarding your love situation in June, which is a very positive energy. Like it would just come quickly. It's a fiery energy. It comes quickly with a communication, and this will make you happy. This might for most of you, like, it could make you happy. This is a positive card. So something is coming, whether it's a news about a deal or a money situation or a career situation. Maybe you have gone through this sad situation and you are sad, and so after that you receive a communication, and that makes you feel better slowly in the month. So this is it. So let me pull out one more card, the Major Arcana card, and find out the overall energy for the month, Capricorn. Okay, so this is the Hanged Man. Hanged Man is very it's like taking rest. And it's you are spiritually, it's a spiritual card, like you are thinking, you're balancing out things mentally, emotionally, pausing for a while, looking into different perspective. Maybe this is a sad situation and then you have something. So overall energy of the month is like, please pause and think, take a pause and heal yourself from these losses or situation, and look at the new perspectives of things which in the coming days or months. Try to balance your emotional and emotional energy. So the Hanged Man is basically giving yourself a pause, and then taking a fresh start from there. Like after the pause, you need to, when you have thought very carefully and balanced out things spiritually, and then you can move to a better situation from here. So that is it, Capricorn. Thank you. So if you like what I do, please like and subscribe my channel.